If you're somebody that hates cleaning window blinds, you're not alone, but here's an effective way to get the job done. The first step, you gotta close the blinds so they're all facing the same way. Then take a duster. You can take something like this, or even a Swiffer pads. As you can see, it takes a lot of dirt off, or a microfiber cloth. Then take a bucket of warm water with some dish soap and use 2 separate cloths, one to wash down and one to dry and buff out. You'll be surprised at how much dirt will come off those. So when you're cleaning window blinds, it is important to note that sometimes if they're not installed correctly, they might fall down if there's a lot of movement. So make sure to place one hand on one side and use the other hand to wash it. So make sure to fold them all facing the same way so you can do one whole section and then wash it down as you're holding it in place, and then just flip it open so it goes the other way and you repeat the process. That, in my opinion, has been the fastest way to get good results for blind cleaning. Of course, you can open them all the way and do every one of them individually like this, but having done this many times, it is a very tedious job and not the most fun either.